So let's create an infusible ink t-shirt. For this you are going to need a compatible t-shirt. This is best if it's one of the Cricut blank t-shirts, or it needs to be a t-shirt that's high in polyester, at least 80% polyester, but as high as you can get for your blank t-shirt, and it needs to be a light colour. So white is probably best. You're going to need your infusible ink transfer sheets. I am using the watercolour splash pattern transfer sheets for this project, which is a 2-sheet pack, and I'm going to be using the one at the top. In the pack you're going to have some butcher paper, or this is also baking parchment, so if you have run out, if you've used your pack a little bit already, baking parchment will be perfectly fine. You're also going to need a couple of sheets of card, at least 2 to cover your easy press mat. Talking of your mat, you're going to need your easy press mat, and you're going to need your easy press. So make sure you've got all of those things. Of course you're going to need your machine and a mat. You can make this project on any of the Cricut machines. I'm going to use my Maker, but this will cut exactly the same on the Explore. The only difference for Joy is that your design is going to be a little bit smaller, so just bear that in mind. So I've set up my design on Cricut Design Space, and I've sized it to be just under the size of my plate. So because I'm using the 9x9 Easy Press today, I've sized it to just under 8.5 inches high, because I know that's going to fit underneath my press, so it's going to be perfect. I've mirrored my design, that's really important for infusible ink. I've mirrored it, and now we're ready to prep our mat. I will of course share the image code of the image I'm using in the box below. So we're going to add our infusible ink sheet onto our mats. If you've got a pattern, just kind of bear in mind what part you would like to cut into. I'd like a bit more of this pink, so I'm going to put that over to the left hand side. Make sure it's well stuck down, and then let's load it into the machine. So like I said, we've mirrored our design, but we're putting our infusible ink sheet face up onto the mat. I'm choosing infusible ink transfer sheet as the material I would like to cut, and now I can start cutting. So we're going to set this on its way. Whilst that's cutting, head to the Cricut Heat Guide to check the correct heat and time for your project. So search it in your favourite search engine, Cricut Heat Guide, I'll leave a link below, and you're just going to check what time and temperature you need to heat your Easy Press up to. And I would do that now, get that heated up, because it probably needs to be around 200, 205 centigrade, so let it heat up to that so that it's ready for you once your machine has finished cutting. Okay, we've finished cutting. Let's remove from the machine, and we'll peel our mat away from our material. Like so. Okay, once you've finished cutting, first thing to do is cut around your image. Don't cut too closely to the image, leave yourself a little bit of room to work with, because this will help your material, your infusible ink sheet, stick down to your material a little better. So you can remove that piece for another time. And now we're going to crack it between our fingers, do that cracking technique. You'll hear that lovely sound. This just helps you weed everything away. So now you probably won't even need your weeding tool. You can just go in and start peeling away all of the excess pieces of your design. What I love about infusible ink is because it's thicker, you can use all of these pieces. you can either cut them with a punch, pop them back on the mat to cut, but because they're kind of like a card or paper feel to them, they're a lot easier to use the scraps at another time. Okay, I'm just peeling all of the bits from my jam jar. And I'll just grab the insides of any letters. There we go. So there you can see it says, "You're my jam." That's the back, but of course we're going to press this part. Right, we're going to grab our easy press mat first of all. Then a couple of sheets of cardstock or paper. This just protects your mat from any infusible ink seeping into your mat. So pop down your card. Then you're going to pop down your blank. So in my case I'm using a t-shirt. Pop that down, get that nice and centered. Then we're going to pop down our design. So line that up onto your project, like so. And now you see you've got that little bit more of that kind of clear plastic to be able to stick all of your design down, so you know it's nice and stuck there. Grab a sheet of butcher paper and put that on top, and that finishes your infusible ink sandwich. So we've got mat, bit of card, blank, design, butcher paper. The whole gang is now in there. Now we are going to press our design, and we want to make sure that the whole design is covered by all of the press, because we can only press this one time. We can't move around and press individual bits because they won't line up. So grab your press. I'm just going to line this up like so. Make sure I'm there. Press the green button. I like to push down hard because my table is not very secure. But just hold it still. You don't want the press to move at all, because you don't want that design to move or shift underneath. And so it's going to count down your time. Remember, you've checked your Cricut heat guide, so you've got the correct time and temperature for your blank and for your infusible ink transfer sheet. There we go. I like to give a couple of extra seconds just in case. There we are. Remove my butcher paper, and then here's the peel and reveal. Peel back. Woohoo! So you'll see all of the colour has gone from our sheet, and now if I hold this up, ta-da! We've made a super cute t-shirt with infusible ink. That's now in there, it's not going to scratch off, it's on there for life. How cute is that? We've got all the different colours in there, looking really cool. We can wash this and we can wear it straight away. There's no need to wait. Obviously it's a little bit warm, so think about that before you put it on your bare skin. But yeah, infusible ink t-shirt complete.